Facebook owner Meta was fined a record 1.2 billion euros, which is equal to $1.3 billion. Ireland's regulators said that the company was ordered to stop transferring data collected from Facebook users in Europe to the United States. This is a major ruling against the social media company for violating European Union data protection rules. The Irish Data Protection Commission, or DPC, which acts on behalf of the European Union, said on Monday that the European Data Protection Board, or EDPB, ordered it to collect an administrative fine. In response, Meta said that it was disappointed to have been singled out. The tech giant called the ruling flawed, unjustified, and sets a dangerous precedent for the countless other companies. In a blog post, Meta President of Global Affairs Nick Clegg and Chief Legal Officer Jennifer Newstead said, and I quote, "The ability for data to be transferred across borders is fundamental to how the global open internet works. Thousands of businesses and other organizations rely on the ability to transfer data between the EU and the US in order to operate and provide services that people use every day. We intend to appeal both the decision's substance and its orders, including the fine, and will seek a stay through the courts to pause the implementation deadlines," they said. This is the largest fine imposed under the General Data Protection Regulation. In 2021, Amazon was fined 746 million euros, which is equal to $807 million in Luxembourg for breaching the blog's data protection laws. Initially, Ireland's DPC had wanted to force Meta to suspend the offending data transfers, saying a fine would exceed the extent of powers that could be described as being appropriate, proportionate, and necessary. But its peer regulators in the EU, known as Concerned Supervisory Authorities or CSAs, disagreed. The DPC said that all four CSAs took the view that Meta Ireland should be subject to an administrative fine. With no hope of consensus, the DPC referred its objections to the EDPB, which ordered that Meta Ireland suspend future transfers of personal data to the US and pay a fine. In Meta's blog post, the company said that the EDPB decision to overrule the DPC raises serious questions. EU regulators have already hit Meta with fines of hundreds of millions of euros over data breaches by its Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook services. It is the third fine imposed on Meta so far this year in the EU and the fourth in 6 months.